Hey everyone, welcome back to another weekly Outlook video. So as always, let's start with daily dollar. So I hope you're watching these and following this religiously because you would have known that if you would have watched my analysis last week, you would have easily got at least 2-3 winners for the week. I think that will be too much. I mean, that is a lot, right? 2-3 winners a week. So yeah, that is definitely a lot. And hopefully this week also goes well for us. So let's not waste any more time and jump into the analysis. Dollar, as we were speaking, look how we have identified this monthly range. I think 3 weeks back. This is a potential zone for a retracement or maybe a reversal. We don't know. We don't know yet. But as of now, definitely retracement was there. We have definitely seen a retracement and now we have this inversion here. So can expect price to go till that? Yeah, we absolutely can. So this is what I'm saying in monthly time frame. Since we have tapped this, now maybe we are going for this. So let's see. We even have this breaker also here, which it already tapped. So it can even just go down from here. But looking at this impulse move, probably we might tap into this fair value up. I think that will be more probable price action. Let's go to weekly time frame. Okay, weekly gets a bit interesting to be honest. So two things for me. I think until and unless we trade above this weekly fair value up, I will be bearish dollar. To be honest, I will be bearish dollar only. Even though if it trades above this, I still think it has some power left for it to push lower. I know this is kind of an aggressive move down, but on the charts though, I'm not seeing anything bullish, at least in the weekly time frame. So still bearish. But here comes a bit difficult things. Daily time frame. So this is the last swing high. So price broke the structure here and tapped back into these highs, end of CST areas. So two things might happen here. I think Monday I'm going to stay cash and watch what am I going to do. On Monday, if we close below this, then probably we are heading lower from here. If we see a close above that, then things will become a bit tricky for us. We need to see how are we going to react at these levels and all if price goes higher. But let's see how it is going to react. But if we tap this and move higher, I would I would say probably we are bullish until and unless I get a break of this, I'll be bullish. So this is a scenario which I'm waiting. I can't frame a bias here at this point. Two things can happen. If we see a close below this, then we'll be bearish. If we react from here, then we'll be bullish. So that's what I am watching. 4 hour and daily obviously looks bullish. Let's see what we can get in Euro USD. Mm, okay. If you remember, there is a target which we have been speaking 3 months back. That is done now. Sorry, 3 weeks back. So no point looking that left now. So again, same as dollar. we have tapped this weekly bullish fair value gap. So I'm definitely seeing a lot of people looking for shorts here. To be frank, since I am seeing a lot of people looking to build short positions here, what I feel is we are going to get higher with more power, with more volatility, with more volumes. But let's see. I mean, we can't work on hypothesis here. That's just an hypothetical idea. But looking very bullish, tapped into the CSD levels also. So I think we should head higher from here. But let's see daily time frame. Again, same as dollar, daily says another story here. So what daily says is we broke the structure and we have created kind of equal lows here. We have created kind of equal lows here. So probably what might happen is another hypothetical scenario, which I will be looking for this Monday. Since price has tapped this order block supply kind of area, maybe we might see one more down run towards these equal lows. And once we take out those, then probably we might see another up move. Again, depends on how we trade on Monday again. So let's see how we trade on Monday. On 4 hour, definitely it looks bearish. Price is clearly respecting that. But if we close above this, that would be an initial sign of bullishness. I'll be much interested in longs only if I'll be interested in longs only if price closes above this 4 hour fair value gap. And to be honest, I wouldn't be interested in shorts. I'll wait for Monday. I'll wait for Monday's daily candle close to look for shorts. So let's see. I'll wait for a clear invalidation. I mean, I need a clear closing below these lows, below this Friday's low for shorts, or else no shorts for me. I'm still sticking to the bullish bias. So I feel like there is a lot of liquidity built up here, these areas. So original consolidation here, consolidation. So let's see if we can get that power here to the upside. Let's see that. So euro is done. GBPUSD again monthly target got hit. Weekly also hit. Weekly tapped into bullish fair value gap. Same as euro and dollar. Daily. GU looks much bullish to be honest than EU. I wanna show something. Let me get euro here. Okay, perfect. So just watch these charts and tell me which one is bullish. Obviously, GU, right? Even with SMTs and all, we do have a lot of SMTs here also here. So GU looks much bullish than EU. Looking at this trend line also from the top, GU looks definitely bullish than EU. Can't see anything much on daily. I'll go to 4 hour time frame. So what I feel is if we sustain above this block, above this trend line, I think we can look for longs in GU. Okay, GU is really interesting. I think I'll be concentrating more on GU than EU for the coming week for longs, obviously. If I get any confirmation, I think I'll be looking for GU longs. So as of now, that is it. I'll be looking for longs with confirmations on both EU and GU. Shorts only if we close below Friday's close on EU. GU still looks strong. Okay, gold. Last week we were bullish, but price hasn't tapped this. So to be honest, almost a no trade week on me for me on gold. I'm still going with the same bias, but in daily time frame, something happened here. We have got very good impulse in the start of the week and sharp retracement in the last half of the week. It has tapped into this bullish fair value gap now. Showed little reaction from there, but overall it's still bearish. I would love to see price doing this to the weekly fair value gap, then probably up. But I think low-key it is looking bearish. I feel it looks bearish and it should do that now. Just a conviction play. I still think it is bearish. Gold. US 100. So that is the original target which we have marked last week. It hasn't hit yet, but very good movement last week from these lows. So now, since this close is very dicey close, what I am feeling over here is maybe we might run these lows again. Two things. Maybe we might run these lows again, or we can directly go higher from here. Again, Monday's close will be important here also. For her also nothing much, but to be honest, it looks like a range play. So price created this range, very well deviated at these highs. Price has deviated very well at these highs. So probably now we might go for this loose deviation. So I think I'm convinced that price can do this with no significant POA on the left in 4-hour time frame. Below this, tap these levels and then move higher. Let's see. Again, as I said, can do this, but if I get this, I think it will be more probable for me to look for trades. Bitcoin. So obviously, I think we'll be almost right in Bitcoin every time. Still halfway through. If you remember, we have been discussing these level from these bottoms, 76,000. So we have caught the bottom actually, and weekly time frame we have still created this fair value. Now let's see daily time frame. So we even created a daily fair value up here. It's good that if we tap this and move higher, yeah, I think if we tap this, I'll be looking for longs again in Bitcoin. So this is it, guys. This is my weekly outlook. This is my weekly outlook for the coming week. Overall, I think for me though, personally, weekly outlooks are the best. I mean, weekly outlooks will help me in trading a lot. I could have I could so basically my work will be done. Majority of my work will be done in weekly analysis only. So I'll be chilling all the week, just waiting for my setups to come into play, and then look for some trades. I really suggest all of you to start doing some weekly analysis so that you'll be ahead of majority of the traders. So this is all about it. And if you want to know how I every day compare my daily analysis with the help of my weekly analysis, do let me know. I'll make a video on it. And if you have watched till now, Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day. Have a great week ahead. I'll see you guys in some other video. See you. Bye bye.